Yes, you join me just as I've been down at Street Gate, the naturist beach, and believe me, there was a naturist there, which I haven't filmed. The end of October, would you believe it? Anyway, the purpose of taking a few videos down here was A, getting a bit of practice flying, and B, I thought it was time, having had the Evo Lite+ for virtually 1 year, in fact I think almost exactly 1 year, just to say what I think of it. 1 year looking back on a smashing drone. Is it a DJI alternative? Well, I think now with all the massive discounts that Autel have had on for heaven knows how long, it's always 50% off at least, apparently. So what the real price is, I don't know. But I think for an Evo Lite+, probably 800 quid-ish in English money for fly more type combination setup. I think for a 1-inch sensor and the quality of pictures it turns out, that's pretty good. And a nice thing about Autel is they don't keep bringing out new models, so I don't keep having to think, oh, I'd like one of those. I mean, I watch all the DJI range as it ever expands and its prices go up, but I don't think I need to change. I don't think there's anything there that tempts me. I mean, yes, I'm lucky, live in the South Hams, and my flying is mainly restricted to open beach areas, so obstacle avoidance isn't the major issue. But I mean, the Evo Lite+ has front and back anyway, so it's not too bad. I'm not going to say a lot more at the moment because it's really windy here, and I've just found a little spot to keep out of it. So I'll put some more comments up with the pictures I've taken this afternoon. See what you think. Tell me in the comments below. But I still think it's a cracking great drone for taking pictures with. Right, back indoors, out of the wind. Now, the good things that I observe over the last 12 months, it really is a proper flying camera. I don't think you can get away from that. It's got a really good dynamic range, I think, for, you know, what's still at 1 inch, a relatively small sensor. Definitely made for photography in my opinion. You know, screw-on filters, adjustable apertures. Sounds good to me. Moving away from the photography as such, I also find the controller really comfortable. Yes, I have to stick a phone on so I can see what's going on, with a HUD in fact for sunny times, but that also goes really well in the hand in my opinion. And yes, it's not under 250 grams, so there are some restrictions for flying, not ones that normally affect me, thankfully. And because it's that bit bigger and it's orange, I can see it, which has got to be good. And in terms of a little thumbs down, definitely I'm not aware there's any brilliant support in the UK, unless your retailer is up to the mark. In my case, I did have a problem in the early days with loading getting logged in on the software with Autel. Edinburgh Drone Company was where I got mine from, and they were very helpful and sorted me out. But even then, to be fair to Autel, I did put a contact call out to them over the internet as well, and they also responded to help me within 24 hours. So perhaps, unless there's a major hardware issue, even that is a niggle rather than anything else. I certainly, touch wood, have not had any at all. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm summarising those points at the end for you now. If it was of any use, a little thumbs up always helps. If it wasn't, well, I'm sorry if I wasted your time.